What's happening, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the new Blackberry Playbook. This is Research in Motion's latest device, and this is a tablet, and this is their first tablet. People are skeptical about how well this will do in the market, and we are here with a quick preview of the device. This is not the final unboxing and review, so this is just a quick preview, pre-launch of the device. This device is about to be launched in India, so this is a quick preview of the device. Let's take a quick hardware tour of the new Blackberry Playbook. In front of the Playbook, you will see a 7-inch capacitive multi-touchscreen display. You will also see a front-facing camera and ambient light sensor. On the bottom over here is the Blackberry logo, and on either side of the screen are the speaker phones. Stereo speakers, really nice speakers on this device here. Taking a look at the top of the device, you have dual microphones on the sides here. One microphone pinhole is over here and one microphone pinhole is over here. This one is the noise cancellation microphone. You also have a 3.5mm headphone jack on this corner, and you have your volume up and down buttons and your play pause button, along with the power button to turn on or off the Playbook and to turn on or off the screen. On the bottom over here is the HDMI out, the micro USB charging and data connection port, and you also have a dock port over here so that you can dock your Playbook. As you can see, it says over here that this is a 16 GB model, and this has Wi-Fi inbuilt. You have nothing on the sides of the device, so clean on the sides here. On the back over here is a 5-megapixel autofocus camera, and the front camera over here is a 3-megapixel camera. On the back you have this soft touch back plastic, which feels really good and comfortable to hold in the hand. As you can see, it's really fingerprint friendly as well, but you can easily wipe that out, and you have this really nice and shiny Blackberry logo. So that's the exterior of the device. The device is fairly heavy for a size of 7 inches, but it's fairly well built as well. It's really solid, does not seem to be shaking or does not seem loose from any angle. So a really nicely built device from Blackberry. The size is also pretty convenient. The 7-inch screen makes it easier to reach the center. You can easily type using your thumbs without any issues. Let's quickly go ahead and turn on the Blackberry Playbook and take a look at the user interface. This is the main user interface of the Blackberry Playbook. On the bottom over here are your applications. In the middle over here are running applications, and on the top over here is the notification bar, which has your settings button over here. And it also has your notifications like your battery, your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The fact that this one is now currently connected via Blackberry Bridge to my Blackberry phone. So this one is syncing and using email via this Blackberry phone over here. So it connects via the Blackberry. So we get mail, and the Blackberry Messenger on the Playbook works via the Blackberry phone. So we'll just demonstrate that in a minute. Let's quickly take a look at all the applications. You get your standard Blackberry application. You also have the app world, where you can download tons of other applications as well, available specifically designed for Playbook. And you have a very nice browser over here. So let's quickly go ahead and take a tour of the basic things that we would like to show you. Let's quickly go into YouTube videos first, and we'll show you that this has a full-featured YouTube app. And we'll quickly loaded up all the iGAN videos over here, and let's see if we can. The cool thing about Blackberry Playbook is to exit an application, like we are in the YouTube Play right now. To exit the application, you just swipe your finger from the bottom bezel upwards. So it brings that into the multitasking window, and your application is still running, it is still active, it is still using the internet connection. So YouTube is still buffering, and your video is still going to be buffered. And you can quit this application at any time by simply picking the application and dragging it upwards, and it quits the application. So easy to use multitasking interface, really nice interface, and really nice and responsive. There is no lag while doing these things. So we really like the interface on the Playbook. The only limitation, it has a fairly less number of applications when you compare it to an Android tablet or the iPad. Let's quickly take a look at the picture gallery. We are in the picture gallery over here. Let's quickly jump into the album. This is how your albums come, and your images are all put in an album format over here. You can jump into your picture album, and just like any other device which has a capacitive multitask, you can easily pinch to zoom in into the picture. and you can zoom out, you can swipe left or right to change images. Really nice resolution display over here, and as you can see, zooming in, zooming out, really crisp display from Blackberry on the Playbook. Looks really nice, and it's really seamless, it's really smooth, operation is really nice. One more thing that you'll notice is that from the multitasking window, you can also switch from application to application. If you drag your finger from the side of the screen, from the bezel into the screen, you will shift from application to application. It will not be just swiping through pictures, it will also be swiping through applications. So that's really cool. So this is a multitasking switcher. A really nice application switcher from Blackberry. Looks and feels really nice, really solid. You can bring down the full settings menu from the top. From here you can do your basic settings for the Blackberry Playbook. You can set your Wi-Fi, you can also search for software updates. We just recently updated this to the new version, which is 1.05. This brings a lot of bug fixes, and so that makes it stable. So that software update is already available for this phone before launch. So once you get the device, make sure you update it to the latest version. It's about a 300 MB download, so you can do that. This also does internet tethering with your Blackberry device. So choose your Blackberry device and set it up. Easy to set up, no issues whatsoever. You can also set up your screen settings, your HDMI out settings, your sound settings. Basic settings are over here, so you can do that by just swiping your finger down and getting all the settings from over here. Really interesting interface on the Blackberry Playbook. If you're in an application and you get a notification, it pops up in the top left over here, and you can simply swipe it down from the left and look at your notification while you're in the app without disturbing your application. If you don't want to look at it, you can just let it be. It will go away and you can bring it down later. So really nice notification system from the Blackberry Playbook. You can look at all your notifications over here. Really nice interface. I'm going to now quickly show you the Blackberry Bridge. With this, you have the email structure, which is over here. So this is your messaging. This requires you to have a Blackberry phone, without which this system will not work. So currently it's loading up all my email messages via my Blackberry device. Let's put it in landscape. In landscape view, you get the messages on the side and you get the message body on the right hand side. For example, you can quickly tap a message and you get the message body on the right hand side. Really nice and good looking interface from Blackberry. It basically brings all your messages from your Blackberry phone via Bluetooth. This is a full-featured mailing application, so you can do everything that you can on your Blackberry on the Playbook without having to access your Blackberry when you're using the Playbook. So really nice interface. One more thing in messages that you can see that you can also switch to portrait mode, and what that does is removes the message list and brings you into just the mail reading format. So this is a reader format, lets you read the mail message, and then you can quickly go back to all your mail messages and jump from here to any other mail message. So really nice interface for the messaging system. This is again working via your Blackberry device, not directly on the device. And if you don't have a Blackberry phone, you will not get Blackberry mail on this device. It also syncs up all the other applications from your Blackberry phone. So you get your messages, you get all your contacts. You also get a browser which will use your phone to browse the internet. You also get a calendar application. So it basically will let you browse your calendar, your memo pad, your tasks, and it will also let you browse all files on your Blackberry phone via this bridge. And the best thing about it is that you can use your Blackberry Messenger right on your Playbook without having to go back to your Blackberry phone. It's a really nice interface here as well. Again, you can convert to portrait mode and simply switch from the layout view to the message view. It will come like this, and you can switch between contacts very easily. So this is what the layout looks like. A very nice keyboard on this as well. I'm going to demonstrate that later on. So really nice interface. You can use your Blackberry Messenger, and even in portrait you can quit applications by simply swiping them up. Let's quickly look at the browser. This is possibly the first and only tablet to have Flash and HTML5 ready to use. So you can see that it loads the iGAN website fully without any issues. You will see Flash ads over here. So you will see that full Flash is running on the browser without any issues. You get all the videos loaded. Everything loads onto the browser without any problems. And the browser is fast and effective. It loads all websites properly. It will pass them well. No issues browsing websites. A very nice browser on the Blackberry Playbook. You can also switch from portrait mode to landscape mode and vice versa. So you can switch to portrait mode at any time, and it will automatically switch. It has an accelerometer. It will sense your switch, and it will switch from landscape to portrait, and you get this really nice view. Again, you can pinch to zoom in. Really seamless Really fast zoom in here from the Blackberry Playbook, really nice and responsive. So that's the browser. Basic functionality is what we're going to show you in this quick preview. And you also have a camera, so let's pull out the camera over here. And this is the camera application. Your basic functionalities over here. You can zoom in. You can zoom in using this slider over here. You also have a geo-tagging switch on the bottom left. You can switch from picture mode to video mode with a flick of a simple switch on the top right over here. Really easy navigation buttons from Blackberry. That's the basic camera application. So let's see if we can play a song. Really nice speakers on the Blackberry Playbook. You have stereo speakers and you get a surround sound type of sound. So really nice quality music from the Blackberry Playbook. So there you see we got a notification over here, and you can see this red thing going in the top left. That means that we've received a new notification. And since we are in the music player, we don't need to quit the music player to read our notification. We can simply swipe our finger from the top left here, and we see our notifications are right over here, and we can directly read what the notification is. If we think it's important, we can jump to it. If not, we can go back to our app. As simple as that. If you think that it's important, simply tap on it, click on the notification, it will go to the messenger and show you your message or the notification or the BBM, whatever it may be. Really nice interface from the Blackberry Playbook. Let's quit that as well, and let's quit the music player, and I'm going to quickly show you the video player as well. It's really nice quality screen on this, and it plays videos really nicely. This is a demo video given by Blackberry, so I'm just going to play this. Got really nice quality visuals on this, and it's in HD, so you'll be able to see the quality. So you probably saw really seamless video over there without any issues. It plays good quality video, really crisp graphics on this, really crisp display. You can read the small text also very clearly, no issues using this display. Really nice application structure, really nice multitasking on this. You have a 1 GHz dual core processor. The Blackberry bridge lets you use your Blackberry services on your Playbook as well. And people who are used to Blackberry would like to buy the Playbook. The internet browser is not limited, but you don't have a dedicated mail application unless you have a Blackberry phone. So that's something that lacks in the Blackberry Playbook, but a really nice overall thin device, not too bulky, really convenient size, a 7-inch device. Really happy with the sound quality, really happy with the display, really happy with how the interface is really smooth, no lag. Basic functionality is also met. So really nice device, going to be launching soon in India at starting of about 27,000 rupees, goes up as you choose the model between 16, 32 and 64, I think. We'll have more details on that when available. This was a quick preview for the new Blackberry Playbook. I'm going to quickly do a comparison with basic phones. We'll do a comparison with the iPad 2 later on. We unfortunately don't have the device right now. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S2. So as you can see, this is what the size of the S2 is. A fairly big device, the Samsung Galaxy S2, but you can fit about 3 of those here. So it's about 3 times the size of the Galaxy S2. So a fairly small size device, not as big as the iPad, but a fairly decent size. You can easily carry this device around without any issues. The iPad is a little big to carry around, but the Playbook can be carried around in day-to-day life and really easy. Really happy with the interface, really nice build quality over here. The back rubber touch feel when you're using the Playbook. Really convenient device. We'll have a full review on this in some time once this device is officially launched. And let's see if we can give you guys an unboxing to tell you what the box contents are as well. We'll have a comparison with the iPad 2 and run a bunch of tests on video for you guys. So this was a quick preview of the new Blackberry Playbook. Stay tuned for more on the Playbook and on other devices. For more unboxing videos, reviews and tutorials, log on to igan.in or subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can log into our forums at iganforum.com. Please take out the time to rate this video. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. You can also catch us on Facebook and or Twitter. This has been Bharat Nagpal for iGyan.in. Thank you for watching.